Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. We are in Tennessee today, Lula Lake specifically, exploring some pretty cool sites. There's Waterfall, but actually the thing I'm most excited about is the fact that I can fly my drone here and not get in trouble. As you can see, landscape's super sick. I've already gotten some really cool shots. And yeah, just join along for the day. Got some cool things planned out for later today as well. Puppy. They're so cute.
Thank you.
Well, guys, after a 2.5 mile hike, made it to the waterfall, which you can actually barely see in the video because it's not rushing too much. There's not too much water, so it's looking pretty weak, as you can see right there. I had plans to actually fly my drone like behind it, because there's a section where you could actually, it's kind of like a little cave back there, but the problem is there's like way too many people here and I'm not that experienced yet, so I don't want to like have a liability of crashing into anybody, so we're gonna totally skip that for now. But yeah, here it is. I'll grab some B-roll of just it kind of flowing down. Sorry, there's a lot of dogs and it doesn't seem like one of them are getting along with the other. But anyways, let's go to the B-roll. Oh boy, you know they say looks can be deceiving. Yeah, I look like I'm in shape, but I'm not. I've had to climb all these stairs to get back to the top because there are like crazy amount of steps down to that waterfall. I am exhausted. Hey puppy. Still fluffy.
Hi. Oh, yeah.
What's his or her name?
It's Carson. It's a he.
Carson. So cute.
Thank you. Am I gonna go? I'm not gonna.
Oh man, I am tired. Alright, 2.5 miles back. I am way more out of shape than I think I am. It didn't feel that long going in. Like, it didn't feel like 2.5 miles going in, but coming back has definitely been quite exhausting, especially with this huge heavy pack. Even though it's small, I have like all my camera gear in it, which you guys will see eventually. I plan to do kind of like a video all about what's in my bag, because I find that fairly interesting, seeing what everybody carries in their bag, because it's always something different. Everybody's got their own little gadgets that work specific to their workflow, so be on the lookout for that. It was like an hour-and-a-half drive back home. Can you tell how out of breath I am? I'm so tired. Holy crap. But hour and a half back home, and then yeah, you'll see what we have in store. I need to change and clean up first, but yeah, I'll catch you in about 2 hours. Alright guys, it's about 2 hours later, made it to what is called the Atlanta Night Market. This is like the first time I've been able to come to this. Last year when it happened, I can't remember specifically what, but I wasn't able to make it, and essentially what this is kind of like a replication of, is that even a word? Replication? Replicate? I don't know. But of like European and Asian night markets where a lot of people gather around, sell street foods and things of that nature. So they kind of replicated that, brought it to Atlanta, and that's what we're gonna go experience. There is live music, tons of food, lots of art vendors, etc, etc. So I'll try and vlog throughout the whole thing, but I can't guarantee much because there is a lot of loud music and I'm not sure if you guys would even be able to hear me. However, I'll do my best. I'm super excited for the food. I'm super hungry. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Not too bad. Got 2 tickets here. There is so much to see and only like an hour and a half to see it all. I got some legit jerk chicken I'm super stoked about. This is like stop number 1 though. Totally going to a bunch of other places to get more food. Well guys, I am going to conclude the vlog here. I am exhausted, had a great day. Hope you enjoyed the journey along. I am stuffed now, but now I am going to go home and sleep like a baby. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you all on the next video. Peace!